beg you, just come back here. Then wave your big man.
I tell you. Explain to you, you say, holy, my God, and you work it out and you realize that the same place where you met Tony snipe somebody. So you set up bubbles. You don't want to get in the way of it. So you make you feel like you're just walking to you. So, and you leave, now bubbles and whisper, Dad, come at the spot where you have Miranda supposed to be. And you say you're gone. While you're walking, you up on your phone and you make a call. That's when you call bro. But we don't know who you call. So as far as the audience is concerned, you now just say, you know something, Tony, do it until we see you later. Realize what it is. So all we have to work out now is the line of conversation between you and her. She's now
Miranda.
Look over her shoulder and look up at Tony. Yeah. So carry over with the cruise ship there. But you divert the one only thing supposed to come on to make you feel comfortable, like say. Everything is clear.
No, that's about shit. You should not have no big taxes, Danny. No, they are good. I will.
Up full. Fill the cup full.
Uncle Bobby.
Sure you want to do that?
Christina.
Alright. Movements. Okay, they usually end up with dogs anyway.
It's usually end up with dogs anyway.
We need to remember all the cutout is relevant. We need to say you arriving, him arriving from somewhere else, Uncle Bobby arriving, you get them coming. You're arriving. So if you and Miranda arriving together, you can just step out of the car and go down. So come down, let me get you and Uncle Bobby come out of the car.
Oh, for the idea, you know, so you could have cheated. The perfume thing, you could have cheated.
Shoot now, guys. See you later. Bye.
See after this. Like him walk off, and me say, and you just do the voiceover.
Oh.
Yeah, come in now. I'm going to say, I'm going to smell the boy perfume and just walk off.
Come. Right away. phone.
How many start so, you know, so
Yeah.
I like that necklace there. Sorry.
oh, that's nice.
This breeze is breezy. The breeze is breezy right now.
Papi.
Welcome, Vicious.
Uncle B, come here. Straight too far. That's like we look so small. Alright, so we're checking for sound, we're checking for Dorothy. Not just clarity. 1, 3.
Sometimes him gone there rush. Sometimes just gone there rush.
Yeah, man, checking for sound, checking
You
for
got
Dorothy.
rhyme.
1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Alright, that's what's up.
Yo, yo, yo.